gotheggman has had a successful trip to Sacramento. Special thanks to Brandon Hazley, and he's about ready to pull into the Oakland station here in the next minute or two. It's coming up. I see downtown Oakland. We're getting close. So close.